Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Insperity HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Insperity HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in Insperity HR login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. The official page of Insperity HR's account will appear on the screen. From the official page, tap on log icon at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on any account that you would like to log in. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Insperity HR's account and tap on login. Tick mark on the box that says remember username in case if you want your username to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your password, click on forgot password option. This is how you can log into your Insperity HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.